Wow, I'm in a very tall tree. Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Just like to showcase plants, nature. Look at the greenery of the lush vegetation, my fans. I'm perched on a very tall tree here in Jamaica. You see, and a slim, tender tree. You have to be very skillful to do this. This is not for the weak heart. Got to be extremely, what me say, brave. Take off all my shoes. See, they're my fun. Can't climb it with your shoes. Big up all of my fans, them. Happy holiday from Koja Country Lifestyle to the brethren call Stamina Dan, Catty Chin, one of the fans who support the channel. Always watch the video them earlier. Cecile too. You have loved one. Myla, Stone Breeze in Ghana. Big up yourself, Dana. Beth, you like nature. To look at the universe is good, and to look at green plants is highly important. When you're in these environments, you're not seeing no like garbage, no plastics, no plastic bottles. You understand? Nothing like those stuff. It's about natural environment. I haven't heard from Barbara from the other day in Australia. Heard that you were sick with the flu. A lot of people is down with the flu right now. You hear the Christmas breeze? Just chopping through those trees. Big up all of my subscribers them. Nice to watch them videos, still no, don't find it boring, you see? Do not find it bored. You might not know how important it is to look at video like this. You're not seeing no bad manism or nothing like that now, you know? Things that look really insanity. Or insanity, me never know the right word right now. Whoa. OMG. You got to be careful on these type of high, you know, Koja Country Lifestyle. You have to be careful. Can you see a ripe chocolate? Take a good look if you see the chocolate. Anyone bake any fruit cakes? I ain't have no fruit cake. I like my fruit cake. Don't like when it dry and tough anyway. Some people make it too dry and tough, you know. I mean, I like to smell it. Some people make it, I smell the egg them raw night. I don't like it that way at all. Neither too much rum to let me drunk. If I just say thanks everyone for watching this little video. I hope it cheer you up a little, right? Best wishes for 2025, and please continue to support my little channel. Although I'm not earning nothing when I say not even 1 cent from my channel, but I just do the video them for love, you know. Nothing more than pure love.